How to change display name in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple and easy steps on how you can change your display name in the Roblox. So in order to change the display name, all you will need to do is simply follow these simple steps. So after launching in your Roblox application, simply click over to your profile picture at the top. And once you do this, you will see a window over the right hand side. And from here, you can see your display name right here. And to change it, click onto this pencil icon and then type in a new name. After typing in a new name, you can simply click onto this save option and your new name will be successfully be submitted and published. And also make sure that this is the primary public name that other users will see for you on Roblox. So doing this will guarantee that you change your username. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.